Hello everyone, welcome back again to Autocad channel with Autocad 2D modeling basic tutorial how to create a 3D bedroom house floor plan. Okay, first I will use a top view and then I will create line. Okay, start from this point to the rack here 3675. Okay, and then you can move to the top here 1125. Move to the rack here 3325. Okay, and then you can move to the top here 9350. Enter. Okay, I will use a zoom command and you can tap extend. Okay, we use zoom extend and I will create line start from this point to the left here 3325. Okay, move to the top 1525. Okay, and then move to the left here 3675. Okay, and then you can click at this point. Okay, next I will use join command to combine this all lines object, and then you can create lines start from this point. Okay, and connect into this point. We create line again start from this point and connect to here. Okay, I will create line object. Okay, start from this point into this point. Okay, next you can use a move command to move the last object. Okay, start from this point to the top here 3000. Okay, I will use a copy command to copy this line object to the top 1500. Okay, and then we'll copy again 3000 and next 6000. Okay, I will create line object. Okay, start from this point into this point. Okay, and you can move the last object. Okay, to the rack here with distance 2400 and enter. Okay, next I will use trim command. Okay, with trim command to cut this line object. Okay, we cut in here, and I will use a trim command to extend this line object. Sorry, I will create line start from this point into this point and enter. Next you can use join command. Okay, to combine this two line object. We join again this object. Okay, and in here I will create line object. Okay, start from this point into this point, and then you can use move command. Okay, to move the last object. Start from this point to the bottom here 1100. Okay, and then I will copy this line object to the bottom 650 and enter. Okay, and you can create line object start from this point into this point. Okay, next I will use join command. Okay, sorry, I will use offset command to offset this line object with offset distance 150. Enter. Okay, I will offset this object to inside here and then enter. Next sorry, I will explode. Okay, we explode this line object and we offset again with offset distance 150. Okay, I will offset this line object to this point. Enter. Next we offset with offset distance 75. I will offset this object to offset here and this object to inside. Okay, we offset again in here to the top and then to the bottom, the offset here to the top here, and then to the bottom. Okay. Next, I will use trim command to extend this line object, and you can select this line object delete. Okay, we select in here delete, in here delete. Okay, and then I will use trim command here, okay, to cut this line object. Okay, we cut in here. We can cut one by one in this corner. Okay, cut in here, and then bottom here. Okay, next I will create a line. Okay, start from this point into this point and connect in here. Okay, you can create line object. Okay, start from this point to this point, and then copy this line object to the bottom here 150 and enter. Okay, you can use a trim command to cut this line object, and then I will delete this line. Okay, we trim in here and delete this line object. Okay, you can trim in here again. Okay, I will trim, and you can use overkill command to delete duplicate object. Okay, I will use overkill. You can type overkill, enter, and then select all objects and enter again. You can click OK to apply. Okay, we already delete 6 overlapping objects. Okay, next I will trim in here. Okay, and then I will use hatch command. Okay, we apply hatch. You can type hatch, enter, and then I will change pattern in here into ANSI 31. Okay, you can select in this region. Next, I will change scales into 15. Okay, you can click close to apply. Okay, we create this hedge. Okay, you also can change this hedge color. You can click this hedge and right click, and then go to the properties, and I will change the color in here. Okay, into this color, and okay, you can press escape button to close. Okay, next I will insert the door into this floor plan. Okay, you can type insert. Okay, I will use black. Okay, you can browse, and then I will search for a door in here. Okay, I will use this door, and you can open. Okay, you can get this block from our download link below this video. Okay, I will put in here, and then I will hide the waypoint frame. You can tap the wipeout, click here waypoint frame, change into 0 and enter. Next, you can move this object, start from this point into this point. Okay, use mirror command to mirror this object. Okay, from this point to the right here, and then you can move this object start from this point into this point. Okay, use rotate command. Okay, I will rotate this object, start from this point. With the copy option, you can type C, enter, and then you can move this door, start from this point. Okay, I will move into this point. Okay, we move again this object from this point into here. Okay, next I will use copy command. Okay, we copy. I will use a mirror command to mirror this object. Okay, start from this point to the top, and then you can move this object. Okay, from this point, I will move into this point, and then I will use a mirror command to mirror this object. Start from this point to the right here, and you can move this object. Okay, click at this point and move it into this point. Okay, we already create a door into this floor plan, and then I will insert windows. Okay, you can type insert again. We use a block files. Okay, I will go to Windows, and then I will use this Windows, open. Okay, and then I will click at this point. I will move this object from a middle point with the M2P option. Okay, I will click at this point and then click again. Okay, you can copy again this object, start from midpoint. I will move into here. Okay, and next I will copy in here, and then in here, the last in here. Okay, you can use move command to move this object, okay, into this point, middle point, and we use rotate command to rotate this object, and then move again from this point into middle point in here. Okay, we rotate this object, move from middle point into this point. Okay, and the last we move this object. Okay, sorry, I will rotate, and then we move from middle point in here into middle point in here. Okay, next we insert again window. Okay, I will use this option, open. Okay, and then I will attach in here. Okay, you can use move command to move up from middle point into here, middle point. You can use M2P option, click in here. Okay, and then click again. Okay, I will use copy command to copy this object and start from this point into here. And then you can use rotate command to rotate this object. Next we move this object, start from this point, okay, into this point. Okay, next I will insert the last window object. Okay, you can browse and use these files, open. Okay, click in here. Okay, I will copy again in here. Now you can rotate. Okay, rotate this object, and then I will move from midpoint into midpoint in here, and last from midpoint in here into this point. Okay, we already attach door and windows into this floor plan. And next I will insert furniture block. Okay, you can type insert again. Okay, you can browse, and then first I will insert this object or scaffold. Okay, open. Okay, you can add in here. Sorry, we need to insert door in here. Okay, I will insert. Okay, the last door. Okay, with this scale, open. Okay, and then I will click at this point. You can use rotate command to rotate this object, and then we move from this point into this point. Okay, use mirror command to mirror this object, start from this point to here, and then I will move this object, start from this point into this point. Okay, next I will edit this block. Okay, scaffold. I will edit the scale. I will move to this point. You can close block editor, click save change. Okay, and then you can move this object into this point. Okay, we insert again. Okay, you can insert for a bedroom furniture like a toilet seat, open. Okay, and then I will click at this point. Okay, next you can create a line object start from this point to here, and then you can use a copy command to copy to this point. Okay, we create a line to this point and to here. Okay, you can use a mirror command to mirror this all objects. Okay, enter, and I will use M2P option. You can click at this point to this point, and then we mirror into this point. Okay, we already copy this object into here. Okay, next we insert new furniture. Okay, I will browse, and then I will insert bed. Okay, this is I will use this block open. Okay, and then I will put in here. Okay, next you can copy this object start from this point into this point. Okay, and we insert again. Okay, this bed open. Okay, and I will put in here. Okay, this insert comment again. Click browse, and then I will use this block cupboard. Okay, you can open. Okay, and then you can put in here. Next I will copy this object, okay, into this point, and then into here. Okay, this insert comment again. Okay, we insert another block. I will use this kitchen start and refrigerator open. Okay, and next I will put in here. Okay, we insert again, browse. Next I will insert the stuff open. Okay, and I will put in here. You can use a rotate command to rotate this object. Okay, start from this point into this point, and next I will move into this point. Okay, you can move, click in here and move to this point. Okay, next I will insert, click browse, and next click wash open. Okay, click at this point. We use a rotate command to rotate this object. Okay, and next I will move into this point. You can use a line command to connect in this object. Okay, to create a corner. Okay, we already create for a kitchen. Next we insert for a sofa. Okay, you can browse, use this sofa. Okay, I will use this block open. Okay, and I will click in here. We use rotate command to rotate this object. Okay, and move to the bottom here. Let's move to the left, to the right here. Okay, we insert again. Okay, we browse for files, for stuff. Okay, I will use a TV, this block, and I will put in here. We insert again the last object. Okay, the last is for tables. Okay, we use this dining tables open. Okay, and then I will put in here. Okay, we create this simple studio floor plan, and then I will use mtext to create text into this floor plan. You can type mtext. Okay, and next I will click at this point. Okay, I will give name in here, for example kitchen. I will use kitchen. Okay, and you can select in here for the object. I will change text height in here into 150. Okay, and then for color I will change into green. Okay, you can use copy command to copy this text. Okay, I will copy into here. 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can delete this text. Next, I will change names in here into porch. Okay, porch. Change in here into the area. Okay, in here into living area. Okay, in here porch. Okay, in here bedroom 1. In here WC. Okay, in here WC. Okay, you can move this text to this point. Okay, in here for bedroom 2. And the last bedroom 3. Okay. Okay. Next, I will use heads command again to create heads after this porch, and then in here for a toilet. Okay, you can tap heads, enter, and then I will change heads pattern into this pattern. Next, I will apply into this area. Okay, and then I will change scale in here into 50. You can close heads creation. Okay, I will change this heads color. Okay, we change into this color. Okay, and next I will attach again heads in here. I will set heads in back. You can write it, reorder, and send to back. I will use heads command again. Okay, we change pattern. Okay, I will use this pattern, and then I will change angles in here into 45. Okay, for scale I will change into 75. You can click at this area, and in this area you can close the height separation. Okay, we change colors again for these heads. Okay, I will change into this color. Okay. Okay. The next I will add dimension into this floor plan. Okay, you can close this properties, and then I will use dimension linear to create dimension. But first we need to setting up the dimension. You can tap D, enter, and then click modify. Okay, for our primary units I will use 0. Okay, and then for text in here I will change text color into green. For text height 150. Okay, you can use ISO standard, and in here I will change into 50. For symbols I will change into architectural tick. Okay, arrow size 150, and in here mark 100. Sorry, mark 50. Break size 100. Okay, for lines in here I will change colors into red, and for baseline spacing 100. Will change color into red. For extension lines in here I will change into 100, and in here 75. Okay, you can click OK, and then you can close. Next, use dimension linear to create dimension start from this point. Okay, into this point I will type M2P. Right from this point to this point. Okay. Okay. can move from this point into this point. Next we use dim linear again. Okay, we start from this point into here, and next we from this point into this point. Okay, we can start from this point into this point. Okay, next in the bracket, okay, I will create dimension here. We create again, start from this point, okay, into this point, click in here, okay, and then I will create again from this point into this point. We'll cut this point, and you can select this 2 dimension. We'll move this point into here, and you can move again this point into here. Okay, we create dimension linear, start from this point into here. Okay, and then start from this point into this point. The last we create from this point into this point. Okay, next in the top here I will create dimension linear, start from this point into this point. Okay, and start from this point into this point. Okay, the last dimension, okay, we create from this point with M2P option. Okay, you can use M2P. Click at this point into here, and then move to this point. Okay, we create again from this point with M2P. Okay, start from this point into here and click in here. So click in here. I will select this object, and then you can click this point to this point. Okay, it's 3000. Okay, and then I will use dim linear again. Okay, from this point with M2P. Click in here and in here, and move to here. Okay, next we create from this point into M2P, click in here and move to this point. Okay, the last we create dimension from this point into this point. Okay, next from this point into this point. Okay, it's 12,000. Okay, next you can edit this dimension from this point into here. Okay, we edit again in here. Okay, and then in here. Okay, then our 2 dimension. Okay, and the last we edit it. Okay, we already create this simple 3D bedroom house floor plan with Autocad application. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another Autocad to Diskette basic tutorial.